It's the Sandwich Dad 14th Annual Birthday Spectacular! Featuring me, Sandwich Dad. What kind of sandwich will we make today for my birthday? Let's find out. What we'll need to do first is make our condiments. I've got some cilantro and some parsley, which I've chopped up, and I'm going to add to this bowl. Also, a chopped shallot, some chopped jalapeno peppers, chopped garlic, diced tomato, and a little bit of diced pickled beet. To that, I'm going to add some red wine vinegar, some olive oil, stir that around, and hey, we've got a chimichurri with beets in it. All right, next, to a pan, we're going to add 4 slices of thick bacon, fry it till crispy, remove, add onions and garlic, get them sweating, put in the bacon, some brown sugar, some maple syrup, and then also a little shot of espresso. We're going to make that all nice and jammy, and hey, we've got ourselves a bacon jam. That's 2 condiments done. Here's one more. Add some mayonnaise to a shiny bowl. We're going to put in some miso paste and also a bunch of nicely chopped chives, a squeeze of lime. Wanted lemon, but I was out of lemons. And here we go. Here is our turkey in the wool style gravy mayo. For the bread this year, I've got this rectangular Roma loaf I found at the co-op, which seems to be a perfect vessel for the kind of sandwich I'd like to make today. I'm going to spread it evenly on both sides with some melted butter. I'm going to put it in the oven, and I'm going to toast it, or I guess broil it lightly for 5 minutes or so. Comes out looking like that. Condiments and bread established. Here is our main. This is a cold smoked strip loin from Borski's Butcher Block here in Saskatoon. We're going to render that fat cap in this smoking pan, turn it over, and well, I guess we're just going to cook this steak. A couple minutes on each side. It is a pretty thick guy here. I'm with you on that one. Strip loin, add some butter, some thyme, some tarragon, and some garlic, and we'll baste it until it's nice and finished. Sandwich Dad devotees may recall that for Father's Day this past year, Sandwich Mom made me an incredible steak sandwich. She doused it in Worcester sauce. I'm going to do the same. We're going to let that rest for about 20 minutes or so, add all of those juices back to the steak, and then, finally, the cheese. I decided on an Oka cheese from Quebec this year. Slice that up, put it on a plate, put it aside, so we can finally start building this birthday sandwich. It's a steak sandwich, if you didn't figure that out yet. Here's the steak. We're going to cut that up now that it's all rested. Looks like I got about a bit closer to medium than medium rare, but hey, that's okay. Finally, let's build this thing. We've got our bacon jam. That's going to go on the bottom. Spread that all over. Use the whole batch. Why not? Every little nook and cranny is going to get bacon jammed. Here is our steak. I tasted a piece before I built this layer, and my goodness, that smoke is so beautiful on this little steak here. Here's the chimichurri. Douse the steak in the chimichurri. Then we're going to put on our Oka cheese. My vision was to melt the cheese on top of the steak, but I decided to just keep on building. Here is our gravy mayo with the miso and chives on the top piece of bread. Once again, nooks and crannies filled. Some arugula. Peppery flavor of arugula always goes really well with steak. And you know what? We have some chimichurri left. Let's dress the arugula a little bit with that. Why not? Okay, sandwich complete. Hat on. And let's have a look. Already the heft of this thing is impressive. Pretty nice looking from the outside. Let's get some glamour shots here so I can post those on all of the websites and whatnot. Cut diagonally, which I rarely do with the old birthday sandwich, and reveal. Let's do that one more time. And reveal. That way I can tilt the camera down and we'll get some more cross-section glamour shots of Sandwich Dad's 14th annual birthday sandwich. Now, to cut a piece that I can actually eat. All right, here is my piece, the birthday man's first piece, squish test. That is an absolute thing of beauty. Bacon jam, cold smoked strip loin, chimichurri, Oka cheese, miso gravy mayo, and arugula on a Roma loaf. Okay, birthday sandwich taste test. This one was worth the effort. It took me a while to make it. Look at it, it's just dripping there. The word transcendent comes to mind. This is a spectacular steak sandwich. Happy birthday to me, I guess. Red-faced, cabinets open, slightly disheveled, older, but happy. Sandwich Dad, good day!